Part 2, absolute zero and Boltzmann's constant. If we take absolute zero plus the 512 in our original equations and add those, and basically we're trying to create a mathematical theorem for I agree with Hume that is our golden standard of truth, and take absolute zero minus 186 in our original equations. Let's subtract those and do the double square root. We get the 225 minus 23, which is ultimately what I showed in previous post beta radiation, the 101. The W boson shows up and gives an electron in a neutrino. So we have those. The 101 plus 115, the 115 and 857 is the difference between a Z boson. And this is just me doing a mathematical theorem on the math. The 101 plus 54 electron, 304 plus 11, what I showed in quantum gravity, plus a muon lepton. And here we are. We have the 2W bosons plus this added up to the math. And let's carry on. This is basically the ratio of H2O mole, 602 times 10 to 23 Avogadro's number. And if we take this, if we take 186 plus 100, and do the same, treat it the same mathematically with our Boltzmann constant, we have this, which is 209, which is times 11, the muon lepton plus the tie lepton. And we take that to the power of 1 over 2, or square root. We have the 209 popping up. And this is the 116 and 188. And that's our B ratio that we showed in the first post. It's kind of powerful, people. Pay attention. And this is our B mixing with our W neutral supersymmetry, which gives gravity times 4. Now, if E charge is 1 isospin times a half of neutral B, which it is, and this number right here gives us exactly that, 209, which is 11 times 19, which is pretty amazing. And there's our 209, 093. And ultimately, now let's go to Boltzmann's constant. If you take Boltzmann's constant, you get the 115, which we have there. If you do it some more, just take it naturally in the math, you get a 202 and you get a down quark. The 202 is our 101s. And if we keep going and we add the 23, we get the 225. The 225 is exactly what we have here. And that's absolute zero. And Boltzmann's constant. Y'all have a great Sunday day.